Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Tricks. Hope you are doing great, right? Yes. So, in our previous sessions, we have seen about data types, variables, typecasting, type conversion and all, right? So, in this session, we are going to learn about string methods. So, what are the built-in methods of strings you have? How it will work, we will see. So, first built-in method is strip. So, this strip method, how it will work is, it will remove the white spaces in the front and in the ending. In the beginning as well as in ending, it will remove the white space. So let us try this whether it will work or not. So yes. So here I have given here white space and here also I have given the white space here. So let us try. Yes. So it is removed by white spaces. So here I have given white space, here I have given white space, here there is no white space here. So strip method will remove the white spaces. Next is lower. So this lower method, what it will do is, it will convert the uppercase character into the lowercase character. So here I have given C and T in uppercase. So if I want to convert this whole string to lowercase, what I will do is, I will just write lower and then I will run this function. See here you will get coding tricks in lowercase because you will have the uppercase also. You will have the upper string. So you can also write in uppercase also. So I will show you that also. Print a dot upper. So you will get the uppercase characters. So I am going to run this. See, you got it in uppercase. So this is how the lower and upper functions will work with this. Methods. Next, replace. If you want to replace a single character or a word, how you will replace? So I want to replace C with J. We want to replace this C with J, or if I want to replace T with J or anything. So I am going to write T. So I am going to write this T, C as T, and K. So I am going to run this. So here I have replaced T with K. This is how just replace. See, the replace function will take the two arguments, that is the existing character in your string. Here T is existing. So if you the next argument is what is a new character you want to replace. That you will write it here. Existing character and then the new character. Then only it will work. So this is how the replace method will work. Then next one is split. So what does the split method will do is, it will split it into two substrings. The strings will be divided into two substrings. So how it will divide? Let us see. So how you will write this here? Coding tricks. So this double quotes will get with single quotes. That will divide it into two substrings. See here, this is one substring and this is the other substring. This is how the split method will work. So if any of the strings you can give so many strings like coding tricks, comma, whatever you want to give, like name, like this. Whatever you want to give, you can give. It will split into some substrings. This is how split method will work. Next method is check string. That means it will check whether it is in a string or whether it is in the pure string, in the full string or not. It will check and it will display the output. So here I have given the rain in India stays mainly in the plain. Here I have given x equal to AIN in text. So I should check whether it is in the text or not. AIN. See here it is there. AIN is there. So let us see what output it will give. true. It will give as true. So I will write like what is not there in the text. So I will write like this, let a like this. So I will try. So it is given as false because the day is not there. So this is how you can check whether it is in the string or not. So you can also check like this. So let us try this. Here what I have given is, I will remove this so that you can understand. So here I am going to check the phrase which is not present. So I am going to run this. So first of all let us see what is this. X equal to the rain in India stays mainly in the plain. So X equal to AIN. I am telling that it is not in the text. It is not in this string. So AIN is already present here. So I am telling that it is not there. So it should give false, right? Yes. So here we got it as false. So if you convert this, if you want to write, suppose like in the previous example, ZA is not in the string. So now what is the output you can expect? So ZA is not in the string. So what you will get it as? True. Because it is not in the string. It is true. So that you will get it as true. So this is how in and not in functions methods will work. Next is string concatenation. If you want to combine these two strings, how you will combine? Here I have given A equal to hello, B equal to coding trick, C equal to A plus B. I am asking to print C. So let us see whether it will work or not. So, hello coding tricks. See here, A is hello, B is coding tricks. That means here I am concatenating or combining two strings, hello and then coding tricks. Here I am combining the two strings. So yes, it worked out. If you want to add space between these two, how you will add is, you will just write A plus, then within the quotes you will write, and then you will write plus B. This quotes you will write. If you are not writing these quotes, it will get as it is like the above. So let us see this. So here if you write the quotes, you will get space. Yes, we got it space here. See here. Here there is no space. Here we have space here. So this is the difference between the space, like with double quotes and without. So if you want to like add to with a number, my name is Shweta and I am with this age. Here I have given age is 56, and here I am going to concatenate this with this. So it will give you error. So let us try whether it will give the error or not. It will give us error because it will not accept. See here, type error. It can only concatenate string, not with int. So in that case, what you will do? If you want to do like that, there is one more method called format method. So if you call that format method, you can get that. So I will show you the difference. So here you will get it as error because this is the integer. So integer will not accept this. String concatenation. Integer and string concatenation is not possible. If you want to convert, you will have some other type. So that is format. If you want to concatenate, you will call the format method. So text.format, txt.format of age. So here age is 36. In these curly braces, you will get it as 36. I am calling this format method. So let us run this. See, you got it as See, my name is Sweta and I'm 36. This is how this format method will work. If you want to write like 86, so this is how it will work. That means with the string it will not concatenate the number. If you call the format method, you can concatenate the string with integer. So if you are having so many orders like this, quantity, price and all, so in that case what you will do is, you will just see the magic here. You will observe the difference here. So see here, I have given quantity equal to 8, item number I have given, price I have given, and my order equal to I want this pieces of item with this for this dollars. So here I have not given any index here. If you give index here, it will work in other format. So let us see this. I want here 8 will go in this and item number will go in here and price will go here. As I have ordered, my order dot format of quantity, item number and price. So I want 8 pieces of item number, item number for 8867 for this much dollars, $569.95. Like this the output will come. So let us test whether it will come or not. Yes, here it is. I want 8 pieces of item like this. So whatever it is here, you will get it here. And if you want to change like item number to here, then pieces to the quantity to here, price to here, what you will do is, that is also possible. What you will do is, you will see the difference of this both two. That's why I'm copying here. So see here, I have given here the index. This is 2. So 0, 1, 2. Right? This will start with 0. So you will see the difference here. So 2, 0, 1. I'm asking 2 here. Price here. Quantity here. Item number here. And I'm asking them to print first print the price, then item number, then quantity, and then item number. So let me run this. So this is the previous output and this is the present output. So here I have given the index number, here I have not given the index number. This is the difference here. If you give the index number, it will take that value itself here. So if you give here 3 and 2 and here also 0, 1, 2, right? So I want to print 1 here. So let us try whether it will come. Yes, it is working. So if you want any index, so you can write the index over here. This is how this will work. Format method. Then escape character. So within the string, you should have, if you are declaring a string, you should have double quotes, right? If you don't want that, if you want any special character, so how you will use. So I'm going to show you. Here I have written, we are from different places from north. I want this and severity. So I will show you how it is. I'm going to write print text. So I'm going to run this. So we are from, so if you want this double quotes, what you will do is, you will embed with this backslashes. If you are embed with this backslashes, you will get the double quotes here. So if you want to change this, you will change this, and we are from same places from north. So this will come in double quotes. So let us try whether it will come. Yes. So this is how the escape character will work. This is a backslash. So with this backslash, you will get the double quotes. So without this backslash, we will try without a backslash. If you try, you will get it is invalid syntax because double quotes within the double quotes is not possible, right? So you can try with this. So this is how this built-in methods will help. So thank you everyone. In my next class, I will explain you some more methods which is more built-in. That methods I will explain you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe, like and share. If you want any suggestions, you can comment me in the comment box. Thank you everyone.